What's going on, BamFam? I am trying out a different ND filter today. I'm using my number 8 ND filter because my number 16 blew off of my lens for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know how. It was on there, and then whenever I showed up at the gas station to go on a ride this morning with Joey, it had blown off. So I have a different filter today. Also, I'm using Super View. Also, I need gas. Also, I got my normal microphone back. Our topic for today, I had somebody reach out. Bam, bam. That's right. So I had a company reach out to me. They reached out. They were like, hey, we want to send you some products and for you to review and, you know, let us know what you think about it. So I told them basically, hey, I will review your products, however, I want to be completely honest. I don't want to have to use any canned statements. I want to make sure that my followers, my subscribers understand that I'm coming from a place of honesty and not like some, hey, you have to say this type of situation. So with that being said, let's go ahead and cut to future Jason in the driveway washing the front wheel. What's going on, BamFam? As you can tell, I got a little new ball cap on today, and I pre-apologize if there's any wind noise. It's a little bit windy out here today, but I needed to get this done. I had Super Clean reach out to me, send me some products, and wanted me to do a review on them. So I'm very excited about that. That is the very first package I've ever received with BamFam 08X on it. So let's get into it. So they sent me a few different products. They sent me their cleaner in the normal spray can, and then they also sent me their cleaner in squirt bottle. So dissolves grease super fast, super easy. I'm very excited to give it a try. One of the warnings is don't use it on hot surfaces. Make sure the surface is as cool as possible. I literally just finished up a ride, so I'm not going to be able to do it on, use this on my engine. However, I do have a hose standing by, and I have wheels that I can use, right? So I'm gonna try it out a little bit on the wheel there. We'll see, but I'm excited. So let's go ahead and get into it. I've never used this stuff before. They told me that I can be as honest as I want to. On the can, it does say if you're putting it on powder-coated surfaces, you want to do a test run on an inconspicuous area to make sure it's not going to decolorize it. It's not going to decolor it. And they also said don't let it sit on there. Definitely don't let it dry on there. So let's give it a shot. Alright, let's dry it off and see what the difference is. Oh yeah, this looks good. Okay, just for reference, I'm going to show you the back wheel, since I already wet the front wheel and cleaned part of the front wheel. So I'll show you the back wheel dry. You can see there's some dirt here, there's some road grime, all of that good stuff. Brake dust. That's about how my front wheel looked. For now, after, you can tell that this looks just super clean. Now, I would not use this as a cleaning product. However, if you have a bunch of buildup, like maybe you got a bunch of brake dust buildup, something like that, your engine gets, how Harleys like to have that blow-by issue that they have. You can use that to clean off the head pipe or the headers, or the cam chest, or anywhere else really on the engine. Apparently this stuff works really, really, really well. And I can attest to that. It looks amazing. Really love how it turned out. So, huge shout out to the Super Clean team. Thank you so much for reaching out to me. Thank you so much for sending me your products. I'm definitely going to be using this again on my pickup. Thanks again for reaching out and sending me the products and letting me be completely candid and honest with how it is. I think it's an awesome product. And my big warning though would be to just not let this stuff dry on. If you have painted or powder coated surfaces, I wouldn't let it dry on. I wouldn't use it as a cleaning agent because it is a degreaser, not a cleaner, right? So yeah, and you can apparently use it on grills, engines, brakes, really anything. So it's safe, it's nice, it's good. I'm impressed. As you can tell, the product did really well on the front wheel. It made it look really shiny. Again, I would not use said product as a cleaning product. That is not what it is meant for. That is not its intended purpose. However, it did make my front wheel on those two little spots really shiny. So I appreciate that. A couple of things. I personally would not use this too much on powder coated surfaces. Like I said, the bottle states specifically to do a test strip first to make sure that, you know, it's not going to discolor whatever it is you're using. I would have used that on my engine. However, I had just finished a ride with Joey. I didn't want to put the product on my very hot engine. So, what do I like about the product? I like that you can use it on a bunch of different stuff. You can use it on your grill, you can use it on your vehicles, you can use it on your motorcycle, you can use it on a bunch of stuff. It's a degreaser, so it's gonna clean whatever it is off. So I'm gonna have to change out my brakes soon, so I'll probably do another video whenever I'm swapping the brake pads out on my pickup. Hopefully show you guys how well it works. Wow, that was the front end of a truck. That was nuts. All right, so a couple things I do have coming out next on the channel. I am gonna start doing ride review videos. So a little bit of backstory on me. The only motorcycle I've ever ridden is a Harley-Davidson, but I am gonna start doing ride review videos. I want to do ride reviews on some Indians. We have a Honda dealership and a Yamaha dealership here in town that I'm going to try and go to, see if they'll let me test ride some stuff. I think that'd be really cool. I would like to do that. Also, I have a new Bluetooth headset on my helmet, so be on the lookout for that. Actually, I got to hang out with the team, some of the team members, whenever I was at the V-Twin Visionary Tour last year. I will post a picture up right here so you can see. But it is the Lexan Moto G16. It is their newest product. I'm very excited about it. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I greatly appreciate it. Anyway, thank you guys for coming in, checking out the channel. Be on the lookout for my next video, the Lexan Moto headset, Bluetooth headset review, my initial thoughts on it, all of that good stuff. Without further ado, Bam Bam out.